Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. This is incredibly useful for organizing different types of emails, like separating shopping receipts, work correspondence, or newsletter subscriptions, all without creating separate accounts. First, head to your web browser and type in mail.google.com to access Gmail, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, it's important to understand how Gmail's built-in flexibility works. You can actually create multiple email addresses from your single account using three main methods, plus addressing, dot placement variations, and the googlemail.com domain. Each of these methods creates a unique email address that still delivers to your main inbox, giving you powerful organizational options. Let's start with the plus addressing feature. This method involves adding a plus symbol and a custom label after your username but before the igmail.com part. For example, if your email is yournameagmail.com, you can use your name plus shopping agmail.com for online purchases or your name plus work agmail.com for professional contacts. All emails sent to these addresses will arrive in your main inbox, but you'll be able to filter them later. Next, you can use dot variations by adding or removing dots anywhere within your username. Gmail ignores dots completely, so your .nameagmail.com and your nameagmail.com are treated as the exact same account. This gives you multiple address formats without any setup required. There's also an alternative domain option. Simply replace gmail.com with googlemail.com, so your name googlemail.com, and emails will still deliver to your primary inbox. This method is especially useful when a website claims your Gmail address is already registered. Now, to organize incoming emails sent to these various addresses, click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right corner of Gmail. From the drop-down menu, click See All Settings. This opens your full configuration panel where you can set up automated sorting. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, then click Create a new filter. In the To field, enter one of your alias email addresses, like your name plus shopping@gmail.com, then click Create Filter. On the next screen, choose the actions you want Gmail to take with emails sent to this alias. A helpful option is to select Apply the Label, then choose or create a label to categorize these emails automatically. Click Create Filter to save it. You can repeat this filtering process for each of your other alias addresses, creating a beautifully organized inbox where different email types are automatically sorted into their own categories. Thanks for watching.